Here we are in Mumbai, a city of 20 millions, a northern suburb 20 kilometers north of the city by an expressway highway led by six wonderful people: Sajid, Shekhar, Dilip, Vivek, Ajay, and Suresh. And we have now entered a space which most of us we are oblivious to. This is a thriving space of the express highway, unmindful of all the rush, smoke, exhaust, and the congestion which is surrounding the city. These are most likely the lungs of Mumbai, still untouched, unpolluted, and in their pristine form. As we approach this place onto these small tracks where a motorcycle, small car, or the best, a bicycle or a pedestrian approach will be best. We are accosted with birds, groups of birds flying around, and the entire vast land which is romantically very quiet, and yet we see as we take steps inside this, it is lush green. Lush green as the word it means. And what impacts us most, that it is quiet. We can't hear a car, we can't hear a horn, and good thing even the cell phone connectivity is very poor. So this is a gift which is right on the sides, hidden, invisible, because we are driving so fast that we rarely ever see that it is just passing us by, begging us to ask us to come here. So here we walked for 4 hours from 7:30 to 11:30 amongst these bushes, amongst these tracks which are off the motorable roads, caressed by these bushes, energized by this oxygen, by this sunshine, by this heat and this sweat. And what we see are going to open before you in the next few slides. So here we start, and I will go quiet. And finally, the good hospitality of Sajid. He had made sure we would be exhausted, we would need some good calories, and fresh from the home. We had a wonderful day under the sun, and all the six friends, Sajid, Shekhar, Dilip, Vivek, Ajay, and Suresh, we had a wonderful day. And we all urge you to step out, be there, have fun, leave your televisions behind. Thank you.